Okay, let's look at part 2. Part 2, you're told to find the exact volume generated by R rotating 2 right angles about the x-axis. 2 right angle about the x-axis meaning we need 90 degrees times 2, which is actually 180 degrees, or pi radian. So in other words, you need the volume. You're not revolving, if it's about the x-axis, you're not revolving 360, okay? So the volume that is required of you is something like that. So if you look carefully, so it is just 2 right angles, so meaning we are looking at, ouch, here, just 180, okay? So let me see whether I can just put this as 180. There you go. Yeah, so 180. Something is wrong with my, so if I follow this, yeah. So this is 2 right angle. Okay, just assume that there's nothing down here. I'm not sure why it's protruding. So, yeah, something like that. Okay, just assume that there's nothing below here. So this is 2 right angle. We do not want to be 360 entirely. So there you go. Okay, like that. All right. So what we need now is actually we don't take 360, but we take whatever we revolve about 360 degrees about the x-axis, we just divide times half, right? So that's what is required of us. So this case here, when we are doing this part 2, we will get basically the volume generated is basically just half of it, so it's just something like that. Okay, and what we need is actually just pi, half of pi, -1 to 1, y squared dx. That's about it. So y squared, we're just going to square that, and that will give us minus pi. This is -1. Square root 4 minus x squared dx, and that will give us half pi -1 1, and this is 4 minus x squared 1 dx. Similarly, I'm going to put this as 2 square, and I'm going to use my MF26 to tell me which formula I need to use. I ought to use the second one, okay, where mod x is less than 2. So this case here, we're going to get as half pi ln, is it 1 over 2? A is 2, right? So a is 2. So this is 1 over 2 ln 2 plus x, 2 minus x. Great. Okay, so there you go. So once this is done, we're gonna get 1. So this is 1 over 8 pi on the 3 over 1 minus of ln 1 over 3. Okay, so when we do this, so what I did was I just take the 1/4 out, right? That will be easier. So this will be 1 over 8 pi ln 3 minus ln 3 -1. So this half, just -1 could bring down. So this will be ln 3 plus ln 3 with 2 ln 3. And that will be 1/4 pi ln 3. Okay? And this is cube units. So that's how I do this question here proficiently. Any question or comments, please let me know, okay?